I've got the carb off again. Taken the float bowl completely off. To get that out, I've had to remove the air filter and pull this through, which means taking the clip off here, the two screws, two bolts, one here and one over there. Slide that off, then take the float bowl off. Be careful of that little pin because that can slide out on the float. I took the float bowl off, and then that thread you can see there, that's the main jet thread. So I've removed that. Oh, see that pin there? It's coming out. There. So that's the main jet there, or the jet housing, and that's the actual jet. And this one is, as you can see, a 95. So on here we have a 95. No, we don't. We have a 97.5, and on the right is a 102. There we go, you can see it now. So because I'm putting my BSM pipes on, they got baffles in, so I'm going to go straight to 102. So I'm going to put the 102 into the housing. Hopefully it'll fit. I haven't checked it yet, but yeah, we'll see if it fits, and then reassemble everything. Take the old pipes off there and there, and put the new ones on. Okay. Take my 7mm spanner. Got that one there. You can take a very small screwdriver. Make sure that's nice and tight. And we can stick it all back together. Go. So this carburetor is a Keihin PD C4A, which is actually off a CG125, but one of the previous owners changed it to this carb, and this carb has a bigger air inlet and venturi, which means it's going to be allowing more air in, but it had a smaller main jet than the standard Honda Rebel CA125 carb. Now, because it had a 95 main jet on full throttle, it was really bogging down, and I wasn't getting the fuel delivery, the correct fuel delivery to the combustion chamber. So I think the bike has been running too lean, which is why when I bought the bike, the guy I bought it off had fitted new pistons, new rings, new barrels. And the reason I think it went before is because it was running extremely lean. Now, the screwdriver. Now, because it was running lean, everything was too hot. I need to get new screws for that. Okay. So I'm just going to have to put it all back together now, change the exhaust over, and then tune the carb to the new exhaust. So yeah, that's why I think it had all new engine parts, was because one of the previous owners put a carb on that takes more air in and didn't step up in the main jet or the pilot jet. I'll see how it goes on a pilot jet. I've got some coming, so I can always go up on that. But yeah, I'll just put the rubber boot back on there, tidy it all back up, and then we'll be moving on to the exhaust. So there's the new pipes on, going under. To the other side. Looks good. I did change out the old gaskets as well. These are crush gaskets. Flat side goes in and the open bit goes out. I changed these back in August last year, and this is after 250 miles. On these. This has actually been welded on. So I didn't note this when I bought it. Got one too.